Welcome back to Republic Ridge. Today I'm setting light poles. We're gonna do a video of setting just one, but I've already set 1, 2, 3, 4 25-foot poles, 5 foot down, and one temporary power pole. So I will basically do a Magilla Gorilla install with the forklift. I'm going to have to lift it up and put it up on the rack of the forks, and then as I lift up I'll tilt the forks back so it doesn't flop left or right. I have on the end, as you can see, I have 2 2x4s so it doesn't slide into the ground and push dirt into the bottom of the hole and then kind of fill it up so it doesn't go full 5 foot down. So I auged it with a 12-inch auger on the Bobcat, switched after setting all the poles out, and let's see how we're going to set well, it's not the last pole, but for today it's going to be the last pole. We got rain coming in. Hey, Magilla Gorilla. About kick an old man's ass. That was the toughest one out of all 5. Okay, I'll take you for a tour on all the others that got set. Now I got to I'll take you for a tour on all the others that got set. Now I need to straighten it out and put dirt in there, pack it down halfway, then add a bucket of water for all the soil to settle down, and then continue packing it. We're fixing to get a torrential downpour, and it'll be good for packing the sand around there. Okay, this has been a very we'll continue on in a minute. We're back, and it's been a while. We've had rain, lots of rain. We're supposed to have like 4 more days of rain, so I'll be doing some more updates as soon as weather permits. Right now I'm fixing to put a dusk to dawn light on this electric pole. We have now electricity on Republic Ridge. So I'll give you a tour. We have 5 of the 6 telephone poles set up, and basically we're on a standstill until weather permits. Okay, there's one telephone pole over there. They're not, well, light poles is what we're going to call them. There's another one over there. We have one in the back corner, one back center, and one back corner. And I'm not going to put any over on this side because I'll just be able to attach some over to the side of the house. And that I can light that area up. But we will put one, that one pole will be in the center of the compound, and I'll put multiple lights on that one.
We've had a wild last couple weeks with a lot of rain. So, okay, this is gonna be our video for today. We're signing out. More updates from Republic Ridge.